I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy Trump coin on KuCoin. This digital asset has gained attention in the crypto space, and KuCoin offers a straightforward way to acquire it. We will cover everything from setting up your account to placing your first order. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of each necessary step to successfully add Trump coin to your portfolio. To begin, you will need a KuCoin account. Visit their official website or download the mobile application to register. After creating your account, it is crucial to complete the identity verification process, also known as KYC. This step ensures compliance and enhances security. Finally, activate two-factor authentication using an app like Google Authenticator for an extra layer of protection. Once your account is secure, the next step is to fund your KuCoin wallet. You can deposit stablecoins such as USD or USC from an external cryptocurrency wallet. Another convenient option is to directly purchase crypto using a credit or debit card through KuCoin's integrated services. Alternatively, transfer existing digital assets from another exchange to your unique KuCoin deposit address. With funds in your account, you are ready to buy Trump coin. Go to the spot trading interface on KuCoin. Search for the Trump coin trading pair, which is typically listed against USD. You can choose a market order to buy immediately at the current price or a limit order to set your preferred purchase price. Confirm your order and the coins will be added to your wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.